Okay, this is going to sound very simple, but don't underestimate it because most people breath without ever being aware of it. And that means they have no control over their internal state. So I'm going to show you something. And I want you to actually try it with me. Take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs completely. Now hold it. Don't rush. Don't panic. Just hold it. And now here is the key. While you are holding your breath, I want you to notice something. Your mind becomes very quieter. Your body becomes very still. Everything slows down. Now slowly release and relax. Now we do it again. Deep breath. Hold. But this time, bring your attention inside your chest. Right in the middle, right in the center, and stay there. And notice the pressure, the energy, the intensity building. That's not just air. That's your system activating. And now release. And relax. Now hear what's happening. When you hold your breath, your body is forced into awareness. It can't stay distracted. And in that moment, you reconnect with yourself. This is why people feel calmer after breath work. Now, not because of the breathing itself, but because they are finally present. Now, do this 3 to 5 times so you can feel the shift. And don't push too far, just enough to feel the shift. You will notice less anxiety, more control, more clarity. Simple but powerful.